Hello, good afternoon. This is Maharufur Rahman Bhuiya. I want to talk about the global warming of the situation of this world. The climate of the earth has changed, and it has changed most significantly during the recent history of humanity. Each year, four of the major international science institutions collect and complete data from thousands of situations around the world. Each of the agencies compared their own data from previous years and come to conclude whether or not the global temperature is rising. All records show that there has been a rapid increase in global temperature in the last several decades, with the last decade showing the greatest increase. Number two, sea level rise. The global sea level rose about 6.3 inches in the last century. However, the rate of sea level rise has doubled in the last decades. Number three, global temperature rise. Evidence shows that the global temperature has been rising since the 1970s, with the 10 warmest years occurring in the past 12 years. Number three, warming ocean. The top 2,300 feet of ocean water have been shown a rise of 0.32 degrees since 1969. Shrinking ice sheets. Data from NASA's Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment show that Greenland lost between 36 to 60 cubic miles of ice, while Antarctica lost about 36 cubic miles of ice between 2002 and 2005. Decline Arctic sea ice. Arctic sea ice caps reduced in both extent and thickness in the past few decades. Number six, glacial retreat. Almost all glaciers around the world have retreated and gotten smaller. Number seven, extreme weather event. The number of extreme weather patterns, intense rainfall, extreme heat, cyclone, droughts, and record high temperatures have been increasing, while the number of record joy temperatures have been decreasing around the world since the 1950s. Ocean acidification. The acidity of surface ocean water has increased by about 30% since the Industrial Revolution. This rise in acidity is between of the increased amount of carbon dioxide, pollutant, and the other toxic gases that we have been adding into the atmosphere and mix with bodies of water through precipitation. Decreased snow cover. NASA satellite pictures reveal that the amount of snow covering the north hemisphere has been decreasing. It also melted earlier than before, as observed over the past 5 years. After my speech, almost I'm done. My opinion, to save the nature, to protect our environment, we need to take care of the nature as much as possible. Global warming is danger for us, so we reduce the uh, things which is not natural. We have to take care of our nature as much as we can for the next generations and for the future world. Thank you so much. Thank you.